Hello everyone, I'm meteorologist Damon Matson here with more severe weather prep, and today we're talking about flooding. Now, you've always heard the saying, turn around, don't drown, and that is a common phrase because it only takes a small amount of water to sweep you away. If you see a flooded area, you never want to try to walk or drive through it. 6 inches of fast-moving water, that is all it takes to knock you off your feet and take you downstream with the floodwaters. And with cars and trucks, not much more. Just a foot of water will take a small sedan downriver very quickly, and you see the truck right there, 18 inches of water, about 1.5 feet. That's all it takes to pick up a massive truck and start to take it downstream. And again, folks, in situations where we have very heavy rain, flash flooding can ensue, causing these sort of situations. Every single time you see a roadway closed due to flooding, or if you encounter any standing water on those roadways or sidewalks, you want to turn around, try to find an alternate route to go, because it can be a very dangerous situation when it comes to those flooding scenarios. So that is the latest for your severe weather prep. As always, stick with us during severe weather here at DC News Now. We will always keep you informed and safe during severe weather.
All right.